The issues of legislating. The rulers legislate, they make laws, and this is one way they are able to exert their strong influence on the masses, on the public, to ensure that things are happening within the limits of morality. Laws are primarily based on ethics and morality, and that is how they should be. So the rulers must make laws that are meant to ensure that the society is functioning in accordance with the expectations of morality. Muslim rulers must make sure that legislation should not go against God's rulings. That is what the Quran tells us in other passages, as well as the 44th verse of Surah Al-Ma'idah, the 5th chapter. We cannot legislate anything which is against the Almighty's expectations. However, there is another important principle that the Quran has mentioned, which is overarching. यानी ये उसूल जो है ये हर दूसरे उसूल के ऊपर गालिब है, which is that the process should be based on consultation. अमरुहुम शूरा बैनहुम, यानी जब मुसलमान हुक्मरान भी कवानीन बनाएंगे तो उन कवानीन के बनाने का प्रोसेस आपस के मशवरे पर मबनी होगा, जो मशवरा बिल आखिर सब लोगों की ईमा, उनके अप्रूवल को हासिल कर लेगा, तो वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग, वो म्यूचुअल एग्रीमेंट कानून बन जाएगा. अगर सब लोगों ने एग्री ना किया तो फिर जो मेजॉरिटी की अंडरस्टैंडिंग है वो प्रिवेल करेगी. So on the one hand, the rulers should make sure that they are not going against the mentions of the Quran and the Sunnah. On the other hand, they should also make sure that this entire process of arriving at these conclusions is based on mutual consultation. There should be people who are representing the masses, like it happens now in our democracy. And those representatives then should again get involved in process of consultation and then decide what the rules are. Finally, no matter whatever rules are made, the spirit behind those laws and rules should be the public welfare. That is, people whose welfare is the cornerstone, is the ultimate objective of running the affairs of the state. Rules, laws should be devised to make sure that their welfare is properly served. So, जहाँ एक जानिब ये देखा जाएगा कि क्या बात है कि जो अल्लाह के दीन में बयान हुई है, और जाहिर है कि हर बात जो भी बयान हुई है वो इंसानों के लोगों की बेहतरी ही के लिए है, तो दूसरी जानिब ये भी होगा कि आपस की कंसल्टेशन के नतीजे में वो कवानीन बनाए जाएंगे. And while the consultation takes place, while the interpretation and understanding of the verses is being done, public welfare should be the foremost at the back of the mind of those people who are legislating. तो ये वो तरीक़ा है कि जो हुक्मरानों को, रूलर्स को इख्तियार करना है, in order for them to play their proper role in ensuring that they are looking at the society from the point of view of its moral correctness, ताकि माशरे में ethical principles promote हों, नेकी और खैर भलाई आगे बढ़े, उसको encourage किया जाए और बुराई को रोका जाए. So that is how this process is going to make sure that morality is ultimately promoted.